Imagine hosting a summer barbecue, your guests laughing and sipping drinks, but you're stuck scrambling for ice because your freezer just can't keep up. Or maybe you're an avid camper who loves chilled beverages but dreads lugging heavy ice bags. This Igloo premium self-cleaning countertop ice maker solves these problems and more, delivering a steady supply of ice in as little as 6 minutes. This compact, portable, and stylish machine is a game-changer for anyone who loves cold drinks without the hassle. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this ice maker is a must-have for your home, office, or outdoor adventures, diving into its features, benefits, and real-world performance. Why you need the Igloo Premium Self-Cleaning Ice Maker. The Igloo Premium Self-Cleaning Countertop Ice Maker is designed to make your life easier. Whether you're hosting a party, running a home bar, or simply want to keep your family's drinks frosty, this machine delivers. It produces 26 pounds of ice per day, with the first batch of 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes ready in just 6 to 8 minutes. Its sleek design, complete with a carry handle and a transparent lid, blends convenience with style, making it perfect for any setting. Plus, its self-cleaning feature ensures you get fresh, clean ice every time without the tedious maintenance. Solving common ice-related problems. Running out of ice. Freezer trays are slow and limited, often leaving you iceless during gatherings. The Igloo Ice Maker churns out ice continuously, ensuring you never run dry. Messy maintenance. Traditional ice makers require scrubbing and descaling. The Igloo's automatic 5-cycle self-cleaning function takes the chore out of cleaning. Bulky appliances. Many ice makers are clunky and take up too much space. This model's compact dimensions, 13.9 by 10.51 by 15.28 inches, and lightweight design, 16.95 pounds, make it a countertop-friendly solution. Portability issues. Need ice on the go? The built-in carry handle makes it easy to transport this ice maker to picnics, RVs, or offices. Key features that make it stand out. Rapid ice production. Produces 9 ice cubes in 6 to 8 minutes, with a daily output of 26 pounds, perfect for high-demand scenarios like parties or hot summer days. Large water tank. The 2-quart water reservoir supports continuous ice production, reducing the need for frequent refills. Self-cleaning technology. The 5-cycle automatic cleaning function ensures hygienic ice with minimal effort. Just add a vinegar water solution and press a button. Portable design. Weighing just 16.95 pounds and equipped with a sturdy carry handle, it's easy to move from kitchen to patio or even to a campsite. User-friendly interface. The LED-lighted control panel lets you choose between small or large bullet ice cubes, alerts you when the water tank is low, and signals when the 1.25-pound ice basket is full. Stylish and compact. Available in multiple colors: black, white, aqua, pink, stainless steel. Its sleek design fits seamlessly into any kitchen or bar setup. Energy efficient. Operates at just 105 watts, keeping your electricity bill in check while delivering high performance. Who is this ice maker for? The Igloo Premium Self-Cleaning Countertop Ice Maker is ideal for party hosts. If you love entertaining, this machine keeps drinks cold for large groups without constant refills. Small space dwellers. Its compact size is perfect for apartments, dorms, or tiny kitchens where counter space is at a premium. Outdoor enthusiasts. Campers, RV travelers, and tailgaters will appreciate its portability and ability to produce ice anywhere with a power source. Home bar enthusiasts. Bartenders and cocktail lovers will find the quick ice production and cube-size options perfect for crafting drinks. Busy families. For households that go through ice quickly, this machine ensures a steady supply for water bottles, smoothies, and more. What users are saying. Customer reviews highlight the Igloo's reliability and ease of use. One user raved, "This ice maker is a lifesaver for parties. It's so fast, and the self-cleaning feature means I don't dread maintenance." Another noted, "It's compact enough for my small apartment, and the handle makes it easy to move to my patio for BBQs." However, some users mention the ice melts if not transferred to a freezer, and a few reported issues with the water sensor after limited use. Overall, it earns high marks. with a 4.2 out of 5 rating from over 50 reviews on major retail sites, making it a trusted choice. Why it's worth your investment: priced competitively, often under $150 during sales. The Igloo offers exceptional value compared to pricier models like the GE Profile Opal 2.0. Its self-cleaning function, rapid ice production, and portability make it a standout for budget-conscious buyers who don't want to sacrifice quality. While it doesn't produce nugget ice or keep ice frozen long-term, it excels for everyday use, from chilling sodas to filling coolers. For anyone tired of ice shortages or cumbersome freezer trays, this machine is a worthwhile investment that pays off in convenience and performance. Final thoughts: chill your drinks, stress-free. The Igloo Premium Self-Cleaning Countertop Ice Maker is more than just an appliance. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Its blend of speed, portability, and low-maintenance design makes it a top contender in the countertop ice maker market. Whether you're hosting a crowd, enjoying a quiet night in, or hitting the road, this machine ensures you're never without ice. Don't let warm drinks ruin your vibe. Grab this ice maker and keep the chill going strong. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.